Yo, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to the Shill stream. I hope you guys had a good weekend. Lot going on. What a way to start the week, man. Over the weekend, Bitcoin has been bullish. Cryptocurrency in general, you know, the good cryptos at least have been pretty bullish. And even today, the stock market has been pretty bullish. So it's looking like a good day all around. Mr. Lodak, what up, man? How are you? Welcome back, man. Like I said, I hope y'all had a great weekend. Milk Cook is in the building real early. What's goody? But yeah, man, it's definitely been a good day. I love to look at, you know, my stocks, love to look at my crypto and just see green. So today was a green day for quite a few things, and we're gonna talk a little bit about some of the reasons that might be, and let's get straight into it, man. But before we do that, if you're watching the replay or you're here right now, make sure you just, you know, hit that like button. And also, if you're new, we talk about everything here: crypto, stocks, long-term investments, retirement funds, real estate, credit, life insurance. It really don't matter, man. We're just trying to better ourselves. So you know, crypto is what brought us together, but at the end of the day, we all just trying to better ourselves, man. Hey, Tommy Brown, what's good, bro? Tommy Brown, you really actually legitimately on time today, bro. That's what's up, man. Glad to see y'all back, man. Had a decent little weekend, chill vibes. I discovered, my bad to be, you know, holding up here, but I discovered what an air fryer was. I've been hearing about this thing for a long time. So many people have been using it. My wife finally bought one, and my God, those chicken wings came out scrumptious, if I may. Scrumptious, you heard? Pseudo Greek, what up, yo? Yo, so the first thing I want to do is check out my YouTube studio, just see what's going on, the stats. 1785, so my subs are going up a little bit. It's crazy. Sundays are like my days, man. It's like I should stream on Sunday because I usually get a decent amount of views on Sunday. Getting even closer to monetization, man. You know, boom, 334, man. In about 2 days, we'll be in the 200 range. You know what I'm saying? So we just got to keep it pushing, man. Yes, scrum dilly yumptious. Oh, it's a Ramadan. Oh man, so you gotta fast? Are you fasting? Is that what's going on? Man, that's what you gotta do on Ramadan, right? Or is it fasting for a certain amount of hours, or is it just like whole day? Let me know, bro. All right, so just a quick refresh. Bitcoin's sitting a little bit higher than 9,700, which is wonderful, man. I actually had some uncertainty as to where Bitcoin was gonna go. Looking at the charts, let's look at the charts. Still trading in between this channel, man, and it's like whatever move that we make, it's gonna be a big one, man. It's gonna be a big one. That's in my opinion. Whatever side we break through is gonna be a big move. And you know, I'm really not into the trading aspect of it, but I know a couple people out there are trading. You know, H Boogie, what's up, man? H Boogie's in the building. H Boogie been kicking some game to me, man. I like when people hit me up, talk about gains, man. It's all about gains at the end of the day. Find different ways to do it. Man, a Milk Cook is not cooking right now. A Milk Cook is not eating anything, no food, no water, man. Wow. That must be good for the body though, to just like cleanse like that. You know what I mean? Yes. God got blessings for us. That's a fact, bro. So he said they go Islamic crypto movements too. Try to understand. They got that, you mean? Oh, hey man, I done seen, like, you know, like Bitcoin got like the halal blessing or something like that. I'm not sure if I'm bugging or what. So I'm distracted because I can't even think properly of what it was that I seen. But look, man, we've been trading in this channel for a little while, and it looked like how many attempts did we try to break out on the upside? We've only tried to, you know, come down, and we got supported over here. Nothing in comparison to how many times we tried to break out on the upside. So let's just see what happens. Hey, Crypto Gnome is in the building. Definitely want to show my token sets just to see how it's doing for anybody that was here. Crypto Gnome jumped in to the stream, to the chat, and he has his own token set that you can follow. You can all start a token set if you wanted to, but I did put like $100 in his or something like that, or 90 something bucks, and we can see where it's at in a second, man. So Bitcoin, I don't know, man. I'm a little worried at the fact that we just really can't break through this 10,000 range, man. It's like we keep getting rejected. And I you know, like I always tell you guys, I'm not the big TA guy, but it's pretty clear here that whichever direction we break out, like if we go up, it should be a nice move upwards. But if we break to the downside, it should be kind of ugly, you know. Now, kind of ugly doesn't mean March 12th ugly, but it just means ugly, you know what I'm saying? But nonetheless, at the end of the day, I'm just sticking to the same old dollar cost average, man. They debate about how crypto is either better or worse than fiat. Interest is forbidden in Islam. Wow, that's interesting. I want to know some more information about that, bro. Because, you know, Bitcoin is supposed to be like this global currency, you know what I mean? This form of trade or currency or store of value, whatever you want to really look at it as. So I wonder how other places in the world, different countries, different religious backgrounds, how they view Bitcoin. They prefer gold backed. Well, I think most countries probably prefer gold backed than Bitcoin as of right now. So yeah, that's what we're looking at with Bitcoin. Ethereum has been looking pretty good too, but at the end of the day, it's kind of following a similar pattern, man. Similar pattern. This could go away now. I don't know why I still got that there. But there's been some good days for other things, like oil, man. Oil is back up. You know, your man Donald Trump, he tweeted it. He said oil energy is back. You know, I'm not a Donald Trump supporter at all, but I'm also not a hater. I really just don't care that much about politics, but I do follow as much as I can, you know, the financial stuff when I get a chance, and I'm trying to just get my knowledge up with that. And one thing for sure, two things for certain, you know, this man dealt with a lot of financials. I don't read his books. I don't look into what he invested. I don't know none of that stuff, but I know there's a lot of opinions around what goes on with his decision making. So I see that he tweeted oil is back, and you know, when you really look at it, oil is back up to over $30, man. So it's been climbing. Obviously, we knew it was gonna climb from this crazy wick over here, but it's been climbing pretty steadily. Now, is it gonna get back up to, you know, 40s and 60s? Probably no time soon for the 60s range. But the futures contracts on oil is about to expire, I think in June or something like that. So oil is looking a lot better than it was. I'll tell you one thing, my gasoline prices have definitely been sweet. They've been sweet. You know, $1.80 something where I'm at, man. So, you know, take your time with this oil thing. Take your time with this oil thing, man. But yeah, so pardon me if y'all can't see. I should really keep it like this because y'all might not be able to see the actual dollar amount over here. But yeah, oil is at 32.63, so that's what's up. Flashless Smoke is in the building. What's goody? I got a text from Flash the Smoke earlier, all green on the portfolio. This is what I'm talking about, man. It was looking like a good day. The Dow Jones up almost 4%, man, 3.85%. So, you know, the Dow Jones pretty much tells you what the stock market is doing. S&P 500, same thing, up over 3%, which is fire. So it was looking like a good day, man, but there's been some very big movers, and we'll talk about that in a moment. But let's check out how my token sets is doing, man. So just a couple days ago, what was it? 4 days ago, I put in one Ethereum, which was 97.71 at the time. No, not even. I bought one Ethereum high yield set token for 0.4821 ETH. It was worth $97.71, and so far I'm up 3.11% to $102.49. So let's just see how this thing keeps going, man. That's all I'm interested in. See how this thing keeps going. Now, what I'm trying to understand, what is these? This is my balance, like, in my wallet, huh? Let me see. I think I do only got like 11. Okay, yeah, so that's the balance that's actually in my wallet. But yeah, 3%, that's pretty nice. I know we were talking about the Ethereum RSI, 60/40 RSI. That's what MG Tao was talking about. On a daily, it's up 0%, so it hasn't moved much. But historically, it's definitely had its days. This might be another one I invest into. For anybody that doesn't understand what this is, it's yeah, man, some small gains. H Boogie said I like, man. You know, gains are gains, man. You got to start somewhere. You got to test these things out a little bit. So for anybody that doesn't understand token sets, right? Token sets is basically you can select these different algorithms, these trading algorithms, and it will automatically self-execute the trades itself on the back end. So it'll follow an algorithm, and there's a whole bunch of different things that can happen. Like on my account, the Ethereum high yield set, it basically rebalances itself into US dollars and gains interest during certain periods. And I'm not gonna try to explain that perfectly because I'm not really a trader, and I didn't prepare to explain this. But there's so many different ways to protect yourself from losses and stuff. Looks like, dang, a little down just from oh, okay, no, that's from over here. I'm like, what happened? Like, what happened, man? There you go. That's my account right here. But you can have certain indicators that it will track. And for example, you'll say like, hey, I just reached this moment in this indicator. I want to kind of sell my crypto, whether it's my Bitcoin or my Ethereum or my Chainlink. I want it to automatically sell and just go into US dollars. And some of them, what they'll do is they'll go into US dollars and earn a very small interest rate while it's sitting in US dollars, so that you continuously get gains. And it's crazy stuff going on. You don't have to touch it at all. It will just follow that trend for you, do all the trades, self-executing. That's the power of Ethereum and smart contracts. So I can't wait till this whole chat, this whole Shill stream, this whole channel opens up to like a broader space. Like just more people that are interested in stocks and investing in other ways other than crypto, so they could see stuff like this and say like, what? Are you serious? And by then I'll be able to explain this a lot better too, and they're gonna be blown away. Like, are you kidding me? Like, this thing is like a self-trading stock that just follows an algorithm, the one algorithm that I always like to watch, or whatever the case is. I don't know, but I can't wait till they start seeing these things. Hey Cal, what's up, man? Not much going on, man. Couple gains right here. We got a little tiny gains going on, a little something on the token set. So shout out to Crypto Gnome, man, because Crypto Gnome is the one that started this one. And I'm gonna check out a couple other sets, man. With the set, The token set. Yeah, let's get out of that Donald Trump tweet. Yo, check me out on Twitter. Not much going on, man. But check me out on Twitter if you want to reach me. This is an easy way to reach me. You could just check me out on Twitter. Forgot to mention that. So I was looking at a couple different like charts and indicators and stuff for like Bitcoin, and apparently like this is something called the commitment of traders on the CME Futures. Yeah, Crypto Gnome, it's dope, man, and I need to spend more time really looking into it. I feel good. I really chilled out this weekend, just spent time with the fam and spent a little time on the computer. Didn't do too much, but in general I'm still on it. H Boogie said, do people really understand the financial independence crypto allows us to have? His question is, how do you earn income if you lose your job? And that is a good question. I wish that question was like just posted at the top somewhere as like a little quote of the day. That's a very good question. How do you earn income if you lose your job, man? What you should be doing with cryptocurrency is finding out how to monetize it as a side hustle right now. As a side hustle, because you never know when your side hustle has to become your main hustle. And on top of that, like, I know most of us are looking for some sort of financial freedom. Most people don't do it with one source of income. We all know that. You know, you gotta have multiple streams of income, and there's so many different ways that you can make bread with crypto. Whether you're trading, day trading, whether you're swing trading, whether you're margin trading, whether you're creating content like what I'm doing. I'm creating content. Every once in a while I get sponsors on the channel. Every day I show you guys how close I'm getting to my monetization, so you can make money by just doing that. There's a bunch of different DeFi applications that you can use. There's so many different ways that you can earn with crypto. Don't sleep on the small amount, man. There's small amounts that you can start with. You know, I started this token set right here. This is a small amount, I know, but you know what? It's probably gonna grow, man. I'm probably gonna add more to it. I already did it on the live stream with DeFi Saver, and I really don't want anybody to like keep on thinking about the product of the process. You know, that's something that I've been hearing from this motivational speaker. You know, we keep thinking about the product, the end product, but like the process is very important. You gotta stick to it, man. And the process is not like, oh, I did good this week or this month. Like, the process is a long time. You know, it's a long time. So stick with this crypto thing, man. Don't just sit on the sidelines. Try to figure out a little something that you could do to get it up, to get more. And if you already, you know, you work, you take care of your family, you just don't feel like you got time and you just want to invest, like, there's no pressure. But for those people that just do want to do more, don't hold back. There's something in it for everybody. There's like games and stuff where you can earn crypto nowadays. It's crazy. You know, so I'm not pushing like, yo, go out there, start hustling right now. But if that's what you're interested in, there is that opportunity for so many people, man. So many different ways, and it's only gonna get bigger. Emil Cook said, we got mortgages before mortgages, so the system don't care about us. Shout out to the boomers, but this is the great equalizer. Yeah, man, for real. Like, this is the great equalizer. It's crypto. It's like a fresh new start to the stock market. Like, could you believe? Like, imagine that. A fresh new start to a stock market. Like a brand new stock market that's just taking place on its own. It's crazy. It's crazy. But you got to be careful, man, because there's so many different projects on here that just aren't doing anything at all, man. You know, and they get massive gains in sometimes during random spurts, like random pumps and stuff, and it looks like, oh man, this is, yeah, let's do a refresh. It's like, oh man, this is the next best thing because it had a pump today, and it's like, don't be fooled, man. Don't be fooled by the pump, man. These companies aren't doing anything. Crypto Quarter Crawler is in the building, man. What up, I was gonna say what up, squad. What up to you, bro? So yeah, I seen, but there are some projects that are doing things, and if you really, you know, if you want to just put a small bet on them, I understand, man, because that's what you do with stocks too, right? Don't fall into the okie doke like BitConnect or Hex. Yes, I know Hex had crazy gains, and a small part of me is like, dang, I wish I would have kind of got into Hex for the low. But it's like, you're always gonna feel that way when you see something skyrocket. You know what I'm saying? Just fight those feelings, because what you're gonna do is you're gonna get into the next one, and it's gonna be a larger chance of completely crashing and failing, and you're gonna lose some money. Stick to the ones that you know are certain, and just stick to the process, man. It's gonna take a while, but you're gonna get there, man. Every process I stuck to paid out well for me, even if it was just a learning lesson. Which sounds cliche, but trust me, it's not. It's not. We talked about Flexicoin though, like a week or 2 weeks ago. H Boogie got into Hex. That's what's up, bro. Hex did good for him. Hey, remember too, like, I know we all got opinions on stuff, but this is the Shill stream, bro. Like, look, I would never let anybody, you know, put somebody in BitConnect, but this is the Shill stream. You could get Hex on a decentralized trade. You really feel like it's gonna work? Do that. I'm gonna tell you how I feel about it, but you gonna do that? Do that. I'm gonna still support the fact that you went out. You went out and did something, especially if you already understand crypto. So somebody like H Boogie, he was willing to take that risk, and it was good for him. So and it was good for him. And you know, I don't think it's even a reason to say my bad. It's just that's how you feel about it. So dude who started is mad articulate. Yeah, I don't really like that guy, Richard Hart. I don't dislike him, but I don't know, something about him that just don't sit well with me. The whole Hex thing for me don't sit well with me. But I seen crazy gains, and I'm happy that somebody took advantage of those gains. But yo, we was talking about Flexicoin, right? It hasn't moved that much since we spoke about it, but it's doing good today. So if anybody jumped in and caught some little gains, shout outs to you. I'm happy for you. That's what it's about, man. Get these gains. But before we look too much into the crypto gains, man, check me out on Library also. I am on here. Got 83 followers, man. Almost at 100 followers, man. Just from stuff from my YouTube just automatically being loaded up here. But if YouTube ever bans me, shadow bans me, whatever the case might be, this is another platform that you can find me on, and you can earn cryptocurrency just for using it. And it's pretty solid, man. It's a pretty solid platform. So you can check me out here. Link is in the description. There's no referrals, no nothing. I see Crypto Quarter Crawler talking about he might get into Kyber network. Hey, you know what? I checked out Token Metrics. I signed up for the free trial to check it out. Let's see if I can log in, man. I automatically canceled my free trial, but they still allowed me to like continue for the 14 days, so I won't get charged or anything because it's pretty expensive. And it gave me Kyber as one of their bearish tokens. So this right here is Token Metrics. And I've been thinking about using this to figure out which altcoins I want to jump in and out of. And this was created by Ian Bellina and a couple other influencers and people that's been in crypto for a little while. I know Ian Bellina gets called Ian Shillina and stuff like that. But at the end of the day, like, this guy has made a lot of money off of crypto, off of the projects that he's talked about, like on his YouTube and stuff, and shilling projects, you know what I mean? And shilling projects, now they're giving you all of the indicators, and it's actually pretty good, man. They give you like the scores. They give you a grade. So you got a grade here, the market cap of the coin that's being graded. They really are bullish on Matic. a fundamental score, technology score, monthly TA trend. So you could look at what's very bearish, and that's why I was bringing up Kyber. You know, if you're interested in Kyber, I'm very interested in them. I'm bullish, but there's some indicators on the technical analysis that's saying it's bearish. So I just wanted to put that out there just in case. The lifestyle videos for real, right? I just wanted to that's making me laugh. I just wanted to put that out there just in case anybody was gonna get into Kyber, because I was talking about it. Just know that the TA, according to this website, is saying that it's not so good right now. But for me personally, I'm looking at the fundamentals, and fundamentally I think it's good. And if you look at fundamentals, right, from top to bottom, it's actually number 4. So you got to kind of give it, you know, you got to weigh your balances. Number 4 on fundamental, but for technical analysis, on a monthly technical analysis, is looking very bearish. Now, I don't think I'm gonna keep this. This is my 14-day trial. Let me know if you guys think that this is something you would like to look at on the live stream together. I'll probably just pay for it. I'm not sure. It's like $100 a month. I would have to make sure that it gives me a return on investment. So I would have to like take looks at these different projects, maybe put some money in, see if I get some gains. And if I could make $100 off of it, then it pays for itself. That's the way I look at it. But right now, the bullish tokens, bullish coins, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Matic, and this is on the technical analysis. Matic, because I think they just about ready for their mainnet, right? Let's check out Matic real quick. H Boogie said he got a little bag of Matic. H Boogie said you'll help with the cost. That's what's up. Thank you, H Boogie, for even being willing to step up. You think it's something I should keep? Yeah, he used to do this with spreadsheets. Now they have the membership and stuff like that. You know, $100 is a lot. You could do the yearly, which is $600, which equals out to $50 a month. But you know, I'm definitely not trying to just upfront pay $600 for something that I haven't even really used yet. I didn't mean to come to their website. I was distracted. Social. I feel like they had something about mainnet recently, but I could be bugging. Let's check out their actual Twitter. Once mainnet is live. Oh, okay, so they're getting listed on Binance US once mainnet is live. Starting from May 15th. So they're like going live pretty soon, I believe. They're getting listed on all these exchanges. Hey, I feel weird like taking any bread or anything like that, but hey, H Boogie, if you trying to do this, I'm down, man. I'm down. Emil said he co-signed that. Hey, however y'all want to do it, man. If I'll keep it, peep game. I'm gonna just keep it first month regardless. Y'all want to donate towards the cost of it, which is $100. You guys have my Ethereum address in the link below. You can send me some DAI tokens or some USDC to contribute, and I'll just keep this token metrics thing. I don't know how much I'm able to just keep showing it all the time because it's a membership thing, but we'll do it till I get kicked off. I don't care. You know what I mean? This is the Shill Squad. This is how we do it, man. But same way I invest into equipment, mic, computer, camera, webcam, monitors, all of this stuff, like I'm 100% willing to invest in this for 1 month and get it popping. Like, why not? I'm gonna get it done. Why not? And it might just give us some nice indicators on, but we gotta learn how to use it though. We gotta learn how to really use it. I was trying to find where they said something about going on mainnet, but they tweet so goddamn much. There you go. So mainnet is going live. The launch sequence starting from May 15th for mainnet go live, along with staking and delegation rollout, are explained in the article linked below. So this is something that we could get into. Hey, that's true. Emil Cook said get that group popping, man. If I really learn how to use this thing, I have to learn how to use this properly. I mean, obviously some of it is just good to go. Like, they got a lot of stuff on here, man. They got price prediction and everything. Like, I've never really seen, this is better than any coin market. Like, this is everything that we need. Like, everything, for real. This is really good. They have price predictions based on it's like a bot algorithm, and you could see over here to the right their percentage of accuracy of their price predictions. So on Matic, they haven't done very good. 77%, 86%, 89, 92. But if we go to, let's see, maybe Ethereum. Let's check out Ethereum. Let's check out price predictions. Their last few from May 1st to May 31st, so in this month. Oh, here we go. April 1st, March, April. This is weird how this is. Oh, this is since 2019. Okay. Yeah, so last year, 91% accuracy, 92%, 88, not so good, 93. So it gives you like their average of how accurate they've been on price predictions as well. And you can see like their chart over here. So the actual price of Ethereum along with their price predictions that they've modeled in the past. So right now they expect like this curve for Ethereum, and by June we should be around 220. But I'm guessing that this is something that's rolling. Man. Oh wow, yeah. Emil Cook is saying S&T status. We could probably do status group chat. Start like a little kind of like just a group for anybody that's interested. And H Boogie is saying could possibly use it for FTX trades. That's what I was thinking, is like, how can I use this to get into like short-term trades? So I'm trying to find the tools, yo. I'm trying to find the tools on how to get these gains, man. You know, I'm trying to find the tools. So like this looks, to me, this looks like a valid, like, I don't know what to call, a valid tool, bro. Like a really valid tool. They go over the fundamentals. They got a fundamental score for you. They got the price in BTC, time underwater, turnover rate, like everything you need. And then they even have the team here on who's working on it. You know, Joseph Lubin, Vitalik, the initial screening, scarcity, market standing. Like for all these different tokens, they put in a lot of work. A lot of work. It's insane. Wow. Cal said you could set up a crypto bot to do exactly what? And Emil, I like the idea. He said we can contribute on chain to hold each other accountable. Wow, you guys, I'm liking where this is going. And once we really learn how to use this, like, it could be up from here, man. I'm willing to play with a few $100 on this and get to learn it and see if I could really find some good trades, you know? If you get a premium subscription to Token Metrics, you get to jump on the line with Ian. But that joint is mad money. The professional one is $200 a month. Everything in investor, unlimited technical analysis, fundamental analysis, code reviews, the private investor network, webinars. That's just mad bread. And this is for like the yearly price, the monthly price 400. So like I wasn't even trying to play with that. I'm like, look, this $100 a month one, I'm cool with that. I'm just gonna just do my little trial, see how I like it, and then we could kind of maybe go from there, see if makes sense. Oh, you was just playing about Ian? Looks just like Coinbase. You know, I don't know. This is all stuff that I need to research, man. Find out what indicators they're using. But for now, I just got like a free trial. And yes, Ian Bellina. Mr. Lodak, you don't know who Ian Bellina is? The crypto screener? Where am I missing that? Where was that? I'm talking about all of this. Like, where is he getting the let's see. Goodness gracious. Technical analysis. Okay, so they have oscillators here. They have the exponential moving average. They have candlestick patterns, trends. Wow. See, there's a lot of stuff here. It's a little much for me to grasp all in one thing. They have the custom stuff, the Ichimokus. They're just pulling from TradingView. I don't know how to chart, so I guess that they're giving people like the sentiment of it. You know what I mean? They're saying, oh, this is bullish, or if you're looking at this, this is neutral, or if you're looking at this, this is bearish. That's a good question. Does it give hourly, daily? I don't think so. I doubt that hourly and daily is on there. This is not even like this is not even like that type of chart. Yeah. AM charts. Looks like they made their own chart. I don't think it does daily stuff. Performance metrics. Cumulative return versus Bitcoin. Log scale. Volatility. End of year returns. They have a lot of metrics all in like one. I just like having everything together, but I don't know if I want to pay for that. It's a lot of stuff. It's a lot of stuff for all these different coins. So their price predictions are pretty bullish on Maker. What's the current price? 326, 434, I guess, yeah. Yeah, Ian seems to know his stuff, man. Like, regardless of, you know, look at him as a shill or whatever the case might be, just is what it is. BTC perp down to 9,600 on FTX. Anyway, I just wanted to show you that I was at least looking at that. Is that where you look at your charts? $96.15 over here on the it's like the same thing as you're using TradingView. Using pretty much the same thing. Yeah, I wanted to talk about so the second stimulus check might be coming through. That's that 3 trillion. That's the $3 trillion reason. I don't know if everything passes or if it did or it's about to, but it looks like it's very far into play, at least right now. So Emil Cook said Ian is a YouTuber who survived the 2017 bubble. He was so sharp with scoping the best ICOs. Yeah, he made a lot of money on ICOs, man. A lot of money. But also he already had money, so he was able to invest in ICOs where a lot of ones we weren't able to invest into. But he put a lot of people onto ICX, which people still believe in. I don't really, but people do. I don't think anything negative of it, but he put people onto ICX, but he also put people onto very poor projects like Nucleus Vision. I don't know, people were really like trying to run with that one. I was looking at that like, no way. But I used to watch a couple of his videos, couple of them, and you know, so that's that. He was onto Chainlink. There you go. You know you're legit if you was on Chainlink early. There you go. Fixing my chair. MG Tal said, how right have I been? We rallying this week. You said that? You said we was gonna rally? Zilliqa, Dragon Chain. Those fell off, but they were very believed projects. Zilliqa still somewhere in its top, but like, I think at least. But Dragon Chain is long gone. It's back there. I don't know where Zill is at. Hey, Christian Quincy, what's goody, bro? What's good with you, man? But yo, yeah, there's been some other big pumps in the market today, like in travel, man. Travel stocks went crazy today. Look at this, Spirit Airlines. Let me take it out of this screen so y'all can see the whole thing. I keep making that mistake. So y'all can see the price and everything. But Spirit Airlines up 24.72%, man. You know, they talking about opening up travel and stuff, you know, just keeping it at a certain capacity. But up 24.72% from yesterday's close. So that's crazy right there. Spirit Airlines did good. Let's see what else. Oh, Hertz. Could you believe that? Hertz, after they just had their whole fire burning situation, car burning, whatever, Hertz up 20%. 20%, man. Let's see, TripAdvisor. What's the ticker for TripAdvisor? Trip. I'm tripping. TripAdvisor, look at that, 21%. I don't know why this candle looks so much bigger than the other ones. Similar percentage. TripAdvisor, man. Who else? Avis car rental. Boom, another one. 24%. Travel went crazy today. I think Boeing did good too. I think Boeing did good, man. Bingo, 12.8%, almost 13% on Boeing. Travel did good, man. Travel did really good. I wonder if there's any other travel. Look at this. I'm looking at some of these joints. Let's look at Expedia. Expedia. Another fantastic pump. NI225. And he said, in what year? I could probably swing back on a daily like that. Nah, chill, that's gonna take too long. Look at the monthly. So in 1990, so you're basically saying this right here. Big crash, go back up, and then crash again. Yeah, I don't know. Man, and then it kept going down from there too, for years to come. 15 years, man, is when it finally reached the bottom from its top over here in the 1990. Took 13 years to hit the bottom before it started really turning around. It's crazy, and it still hasn't reached the top again. But our market is completely different. We always reach new all-time highs. Like, look at this, the S&P 500 index. We always reach new all-time highs. Not saying that right now we're about to, but long-term we reach new all-time highs, man. That's just seems more like us. Came down, we were able to reach this again, all-time high, bubble popped. Then we started making too many all-time highs. We were waiting for this to happen. Titus says the bear market is over. Which bear market? The stock market bear market or crypto bear market? I'm investing in both, by the way. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. Right now, I'm about to get my credit back up. My credit came down a little bit. I haven't really been caring too much for my credit because I don't have any like purchases or anything that I really want to, focus on. But now that this market might really turn bad, I want to be able to invest in maybe some real estate or something. This time it's different because we got Jay Powell, the drum, and the driver's seat. I couldn't make that out. Yeah, Jerome Powell. It was overvalued. And that's when it's crashed. Shad Colebroke, what up? Yeah, we might crash again. We probably will. I don't know. Okay. What do you do? Just sit on the sidelines and wait for it to crash and then dump a bunch of money in it, or do you dollar cost average? Like, it's always the safest way. It's a dollar cost average. You know, you just wait for another crash with a, you know, while holding on to cash right now. I'm buying Bitcoin to hedge against all of this. I'm buying stocks at a dollar cost average to make sure I don't miss out on none of this. Like, I think that's the safest approach. Dollar cost average into both. Keep a little bit of cash on hand. Keep an emergency fund. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's all about balance. I don't invest into precious metals, but I'm not against them. I just don't invest into them. Just put like $1 on the credit card. Nah, bro. I need to get my joint up in the 7s. I'm in like the 6s right now. Hey, Emil, you out of here, bro? Be good, man. UBT. UBT's been going up. But, I don't know. UBT has been going up. Let's see. Even Six Flags. I don't even know if Six Flags open back up, bro. And Six Flags, oh, sorry, that's still on the monthly. I don't even know if Six Flags open back up anywhere, and they gained 18%. People are just looking for. People want to go outside, yo. People want to go outside, man. Crazy thing though. You said we might still rally until into July. What was the based on the Nikkei chart or Nike or whatever they call it? Yeah, everything took a hit, bro. But Six Flags definitely been taking the hideous hit, bro. They've been on a hit squad since like all the way up here, just on the hit list, bro. Just coming down, 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 down. Even they took a 18% gain today. People just want to go out there, man. They just want to have fun again. They forgot what it was like to be outside, to just ride a roller coaster. And it's like, jump in crypto, baby. It's a roller coaster every day. But yeah, I mean, what else is there to do, man? You know, like I said, regardless of when we're gonna rally until, or when we're gonna, you know, drop or whatever, like, what am I to do? Just sit on the sidelines and just wait for it to happen, or dollar cost average? Get that price all the way going down or all the way going up, regardless. It might take 10 years to completely like recover from this. Like a strong 8-10 years. Might take 15 years. I'd be happy to say, yo, I've been buying it for the low the whole time. You know, but hey, then again though, but I'm definitely no pro, so don't look at me like I'm giving advice or anything, people, because I'm learning this whole game, man. I'm learning this whole game. I'm trying to find out about, you know, I'm hedging stuff. I'm looking at these joints. I'm hedging stuff. Okay, that makes sense. So just keep a little. I'll do that actually. I'm gonna keep a little extra stash on the side, just ready to jump in, just in case it really does. It really does crash. I could just jump in. Overall though, I'm looking at this. I'm gonna keep looking at this token metrics thing and see if it makes sense. If we can make something out of it. Token sets seems to be doing good. 102, 102.49. So I had some little gains that just pulled back a little bit, but still I got a little bit of gains on the token set, so that's what's up. Stimulus check coming, most likely, maybe not, probably not, most likely not. I'm averaging into Bitcoin. By the way, I have a small amount of Bitcoin. I'm just averaging in. I'm just not FOMOing. And if it doesn't crash, you just FOMO at the top. Yeah, that's the plan, buddy. That's a plan. I'm pretty sure that's what a lot of people are gonna do. A lot of people are gonna do that. Matic. We talked about Matic a little bit. I did see Argent. I think Argent finally went live. This Argent wallet. It has like a whole bunch of DeFi stuff going on in it. I definitely want to look into it a little more, but I think they went live. Jumping into Tesla at 1400. Got your stimulus check today. Wink, wink. Own it, recover, protect. Only you can access your assets. Yada yada yada. Put your assets to work. Earn up to 2%. It's terrible. Buy crypto instantly with Apple Pay, card, or bank transfer. Dope. They got a bunch of decentralized protocols, I think, behind it. I know it definitely uses Kyber. It uses Kyber. A money printer. Yeah, so you know, I'll look at this Argent joint. It might be something to give a try out. Yo, but nonetheless, guys, let's see, we got like 13, I think, 14 people here. Thanks for coming through, man. I'm just about wrapping it up. Remember, I'm doing this every weekday, so Monday through Friday. And I am working on something. I always say that I'm working on something, but I really am trying to get some standalone content, because once I finally get, you know, monetization, I'll probably do the stream even less often. Not to, you know, take away from what we got here. It will still continue, but I need to do stuff that's gonna actually draw people in more. The stream is more like how we chill, so I'll keep that going. But I'm trying to work on some stuff that I could see the long term for, the long stretch, man. I know what you meant by stimulus, man. That FTX stimulus. I already know what you meant. Trust me, I know what you meant there, H Boogie. But yeah, man. So thank you everybody for coming through. I'm gonna get on out of here. I hope everybody has a good night, and I will see you tomorrow. I'm out. Peace.